The rear windshield wiper. OEM is a little expensive to buy, so I went and bought this Bosch H307. There's the exact part number, I guess. Maybe. So it looks pretty much the same as OEM, so it should be an easy fit. So changing the blade, easiest way would be to pop this little plastic out. It just comes off. Unscrew this bolt. Just a 10 mil. Actually, removing this little thing is a little pain in the ass. So after you remove the nut, just pry it open with hands. Keep prying it and prying it. Depends how much rust you have. It might come off easy. It might be hard, but eventually it pops off. You got your blade. So the replacement, to replace it, you simply rotate it out, push, keep pushing, and the blade just comes off. And that's it. Then you put a new blade. You can see there's a little pivot on it. Yeah. It goes back on. Mount your arm in about the same position as you removed it. Put the nut back on, tighten it, and you're done. You get yourself a new wiper blade.